Hey students, welcome back to my channel Exact City. So today we are going to discuss about the selected IELTS speaking cue cards for June 2021. Each month we are updating some selected cue cards to help you out in your speaking test. So most of the students reviewing that they got same cue cards during their test. So here we go with June 2021 some important selected cue cards. So the first cue card is describe a natural talent you want to improve like sports, music, painting, etc. So you want to talk about a natural talent you want to improve in your life. So what it is, when you discovered it, how you want to improve it and how you feel about it. So every person have their own talents. Some of them are innate and some of them are acquired. So you can give an introduction related to talent. Then you can continue with your talk by including all the sub questions till the examiner stops you for the part 3 questions. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a live sports match that you have watched. So you want to talk about a live sports match which you watched. So what it was, when you watched it, what it was like, and how you felt about it. So you can talk about any sports item which you watched live. So here you can give an introduction related to the popular sports items in your country or about your interest towards the sports activities. Okay, about the nearby sports centers and all means you can give an introduction related to that. Next, you can describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future. So you want to talk about a town or city which you would like to live in the future. So you like to migrate there and you like to stay there for your rest of your life. Where is it, how you know about this city, what it is famous for, and why you would like to live there. So what's the reason behind that? Maybe it's due to some amenities or the facilities there. Okay, some of them are living in rural areas, so they like to migrate to the township areas. Okay, moving on to the next cue card. Describe a plan in your life that is not related to work or study. Okay, so you want to talk about a plan that may be related to a short trip or about to the daily schedule or something related to your daily task which you want to complete. Okay, anything. So what it is about, why you made this plan, what you need to do first, and explain how you would feel if it is successful means. So everyone likes to make plans in their life to complete or accomplish the task at a proper time period. So we all love to make plans. It acts as a direction towards our goal. Okay, so try to give an introduction like that and then you can continue with your talk. Next, you could describe a piece of local news that people are interested in, or else they will ask about the international news too. Describe a piece of international news that you have recently heard. So, what it was about, where you saw or heard it, who was involved in that, and explain why people were interested in it. So it's always better to give an introduction related to news updates and all. The role of news in our day-to-day life. News and newspaper plays an indispensable role in our day-to-day life. So I'm interested in local news and also international news. So today I like to talk about. Then you can continue with your talk by including all the sub questions. Then moving on to the next cue card, describe a street market in your city. You want to talk about a street market in your city. Where is it? What can you buy there, what it is famous for, and how you feel about it. So, you know that as per the recent surveys and all, shopping is the most popular leisure time activities among the people nowadays, especially among the youngsters and all. So, you can give an introduction related to shopping. Some of them like to do shopping in large shopping malls and all, or luxurious shopping malls. Some of them like to go to some retail shop or some street markets to purchase the things. So you can give an introduction related to this leisure time activity about this shopping. Then you can continue with the talk. Where is that street market? Whether it is nearby your home or you want to travel a lot for that. Is there any particular sales happen during each day or weekly? Like that means you can talk about that. Next cue card. Describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. Nowadays, social medias are very popular. So we are always just scrolling to these social medias and all. So you just want to describe a time you saw something interesting. Okay. When it was, where you saw it, what you saw, and explain why you think it was so interesting. So try to give an introduction related to that only. Nowadays, the social medias have a very popular or an important part in our day-to-day life. So among that, which type of social media platforms you are using most? Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp? Okay, moving on to the next cue card. Describe a tall building in your city you like or dislike about. So you want to talk about a tall building in your city. That may be any historical building or any shopping malls, any other skyscrapers. Okay. So or else they will be asking about the historical building directly. Describe a historical building in your country. So where it is, what it is used for, what it looks like, and explain why you like or dislike about that particular building. So the next cue card, describe a company in your area which employs a lot of people. You want to talk about a large company where a lot of people are working. So what it does, how many people it employs, what kind of people work there, and how you feel about it. So you want to talk about what type of company it is. That means what type of business they are doing. Okay, and how many people are working there, about the workforce strength and all. Okay, so you can start up like there are many workplaces in and around my hometown, such as industries, banks, educational institutions, hospitals. So here I'm going to talk about a workplace in my hometown that employs a lot of people. That is, you can continue with your talk. Next topic, describe a quiet place you would like to spend your time in. So you want to talk about a quiet place. So that may be any beach side or any park or evening park and all, or in a public library. If you are interested in reading and all, means you can talk about any public library and all. Then you need to include where it is, how you know it, how often you go there, what you do there, and explain why you like this particular place. Next cue card, describe a leisure activity near or on the sea that you want to try. You can talk about any water sports, okay, or any activities which you like to do near the seaside and all, any leisure time activity. So, what it is, what you need to prepare, and how easy or difficult it is, and explain why you want to try it. So you can talk about any leisure activity near or on the sea that you want to try. So any sports activity or even swimming you can talk about. Okay, so try to give an introduction related to this water sports and all. Next cue card, describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. So you just missed out or you just lost in one particular place which you are not aware about. Okay, so when did it happen and who was with you? What did you do and how you felt about it? How you survived from there? How you, whether you used the navigation map or something, whether you asked with someone about the route and all, how you survived from that particular place. Okay, so it is very common if we are a regular traveler and all, means it's very common to be in some unknown places and all. So try to give an introduction and continue with your talk. Next cue card, describe a time when you shared something with others or another person. So here you want to talk about something important you shared with your friend, family, relatives, or anyone. So that may be any ideas or about your future plans or anything about your vehicle, about your phone, or any keys or any other important or valuable object you shared with your friends, family, relatives, or anyone. So what you shared, who you shared with, why you shared it, and explain how you felt about sharing it, whether they replaced that or not. Okay. So next cue card, describe your first day at school. So for most of the cue cards, we already updated the samples. You can check out our playlist for that. So more samples will be updating soon. So you can talk about the first day at school. So where it was, what happened, and explain how you felt on that particular day. Whether you was frustrated or whether you have homesickness, like that you can talk. Next cue card, describe an aquatic animal. You want to talk about a marine animal or the animal which live in water. So what it looks like when you saw it, where you saw it, and explain why it is interesting. You can talk about any aquatic animal or the mammal. Okay. Next cue card, describe a bag you want to own. So you want to talk about a bag which you like to buy. So that may be any type of bag, backpack or sling bag or any shoulder bag or any handbag, anything you can talk about. So what kind of bag it is, where you want to buy it, whether from retail shop or directly from shop or from online purchase or any other platforms. How much it will cost you and why you want this kind of bag. What's the purpose behind that? Moving on to the next cue card, describe an art exhibition or gallery you visited. So here, this all cue cards we updated the samples. You can check it out if you want. Means when you saw this exhibition, where the exhibition was held, and what was on display, and explain your impression on this exhibition. So you want to talk about any art exhibition or the art gallery that you have visited. Okay, next cue card. Describe a skill that you can teach other people. You want to talk about a skill that you are confident to teach other people. That may be any cooking skill, driving skill, any other soft skills, life saving skills. Okay, so what it is, how you learned it, how can you teach others this particular skill? How do you feel about this skill, whether it is effective, whether it is useful, or just killing of time? Okay, so you can give an introduction related to the skills. Okay, moving on to the next cue card. Describe a time you made a promise to someone. So, you want to talk about a time in which you made a promise to someone, to your friends, family, or to your parents, and all. So, whom did you make the promise to? What the promise was, and why you made this promise, and was the promise easy to achieve? So, many people are so much casual about this giving promises and all. They don't want to fulfill it, they are just giving some words and all. So you can give an introduction related to your character, what type of person you are, whether you are serious about your promises, whether you will work hard to fulfill that or not. Okay, whether you will give simple promises or like that, means you can give an introduction related to that. Next cue card, describe a time when you needed to use your imagination. In some of the time we needed to use our imagination, like the cue cards in IELTS speaking and all, you want to use your imagination. So what it was, when you needed to use imagination, how difficult or easy it was, and explain how you felt about it. So you want to talk about a time in which you want to use your imagination, you want to build up a story or your creative thinking. Okay, so there are a lot of situations where we need to use our imagination to tackle some difficult situations and all, or to solve some problems and all. So you can give an introduction related to that and continue with your talk. Next cue card, describe a time when you had to wait in a long line. So nowadays it's very common to wait in a long line due to this COVID pandemic and all. We need to maintain the social distancing if you are out, means if you are going to any restaurants, if you are going to any shopping malls, if you are going to any bank, everywhere we want to maintain this queue, right? So you need to talk about that, when it was, how long the queue or line was, what it was about, and how you felt about waiting in this long queue or line, how much time you want to or you need to wait there, and how you felt about it, whether you felt bored, what are things you done that time and all, you can talk about. So next cue card, describe a place, person, or a home you like to visit but you don't want to live there. So you want to talk about a person, place, or home. Most of the time they will ask about this place only, some place you like to visit but you don't want to stay there. Or else they will be asking like, describe a short trip that you often take but you do not like. That may be to the nearby market to buy some household items and all. Or any other short trips that may be to your tuition center or to your workplace. Okay, so what place is it? When do you visit that place? Why you go there and how you feel about that? And why you don't want to live there. That may be related to some climatic condition, or you have the habit of staying in your home at night time, sleeping in your own bed, like that, means you can talk about that. Next topic, describe a polite person whom you know, or describe a open minded person, the person who are straightforward and all. Who is this person, how you know him or her, and explain why you think this person is so polite or why this person is open minded. You have any particular experience and all, means you can talk about that. Next topic, describe something important or an old thing that has been kept in your family for a long time. Any traditional items or any historical items which reflects the history or tradition, the culture of our country or family and all, means you can talk about that. Family like to handed over some ornaments or some precious items, valuable items from generation to generation. They will use that during some special functions or occasions related to religion and all, or some albums or stamp book and all. You can talk about what is it, when your family got it, how your family got it, and explain why it is important for your family, what is the importance of that particular product in your family. You will get the sample answer from our playlist. Okay, next cue card, describe a goal you want to achieve in the future, or describe an ambition that you have had for a long time. You want to talk about a goal which you set it for a long time, or the ambition which you had for a long time. You need to achieve that. So what the goal is, what would you do to achieve it, when will you achieve it, and explain why you want to achieve it. That may be related to your career or migration to your dream country. Okay, anything you can talk about. That may be your any promotion. Okay, any milestone in your professional or in your personal life. Okay, that may be to build a house. Okay. Next topic, describe an interesting conversation that you had. You want to talk about an interesting conversation that you had. Who you had it with, where did you have it, what was the conversation, and why did you have it. So you want to talk about an interesting conversation which you had with your friends, family, colleagues, or anyone. Next topic, describe an old person you know and respect. You want to talk about an old person you know and respect. That may be your grandparents, your neighbor, or your teachers who are leading a retired life, and all means you can talk about that. Or any person whom you know related to your job or personal life. Who he or she is, how you know this person, what he or she is like, and explain why you respect him or her. What was the factor which attracted you towards him or her. Okay, you can talk about the physical appearance, the characteristics, the social life about that particular person, and all. Moving on to the next topic. Describe a time you were really close to a wild animal. You want to talk about an experience you were really close with a wild animal. That may be due to any visit to any zoo or any forest area, or during any travel in your own country. Some places we have so many monkeys and elephants and all. So that type of places also you can talk about. So what it looked like, where you saw it, and what it likes to eat or do, and why you like it. So you can talk about any particular wild animals, and you are close to that. Okay, so try to give an introduction related to these animals and all. Whether you like wild animals or whether you like farm animals and domestic animals only, means you can give an introduction related to that. Next topic, describe a thing you brought and you are happy about. You want to talk about a thing which you brought and you are really 100% satisfied about that particular product, and you like to recommend that to others, means you can talk about that particular product. Any electronic gadgets or any phone, any clothes, or anything you can talk about. Explain why you brought it, why you selected this product, from where you purchased it, from shop or from online platform, and explain why you are happy about that particular product. You got 100% result from that particular products, that why you are happy about that. So you can give an explanation towards that. Okay, so try to give an introduction about the consumerism, or whether you like to buy new items, means you can just give an introduction related to that. Next topic, talk about a time when you gave advice to someone. So you want to talk about a time you gave advice to someone, to your siblings, to your friends, colleagues, or anyone. You should say who you gave advice to, what the advice was about, whether it may be related to the professional life, which career to choose, about the life partner, the selection of life partner, or about some other, to buy some vehicle or anything related to that. Why you gave that particular advice, and how you felt about this advice. Whether it come out in a positive way, or did you think that oh, no need to give that particular advice, maybe they don't take it in a serious way, or they just neglected that, means we feel so bad about that particular thing. So you can just talk about your experience. Next topic, describe an occasion when you ate a kind of food for first time. That may be the part of your daily diet now. So you want to talk about your experience when you ate that for first time. When you had it, where you ate it, what it was, and how you felt about it, whether it was good or bad. Next topic, describe an occasion when many people were smiling. That means some happiest occasion, festival, or any functions, or any watching some movies, comedy oriented movies, and all, means everyone is smiling. So when it happened, who you were with, what happened, and explain why many people were smiling. There may be some marriage function or some happiest moment in the life. So that's why everyone are dancing, everyone are smiling. So you can talk about that particular experience. Next topic, describe a tradition in your country. You want to talk about any tradition in the sense which we can able to transform from one generation to another generation. That may be any culture, any festival, any custom, or any rituals. Okay, so you should say what it is, who takes part in it, what activities there are, and explain how you feel about it, whether it is a good tradition or we need to change that, we don't want to perform that, means you can talk about that. Next topic, describe an art or craft activity, example like painting, woodwork, etc., that you had, that means at school. You want to talk in a past tense. Okay, because you are talking about your school experience, what you made, how you made it, what it looked like, and how you felt about that activity, whether you can able to continue that in your life or not, or due to this busy schedule and all you just forgot about that particular craft means, you can just talk about that. So try to give an introduction related to the importance of art according to our tradition, or importance of craft activities and all. Next topic, describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. So you want to talk about your experience when you first talked in a foreign language. Any foreign language you can talk about. Not only English, German, Spanish, or any other language you can talk about. You should say where were you, who you were with, and what did you talk about, and explain how you felt about it. Okay. If you can able to convey that in a proper way and they came to understand regarding what are things you talked means, yeah, it's you feel better. But sometimes we can't able to convey the message in a proper way means we feel so bad about that, we need to improve our language, like that we'll think. So you can talk about your experience, how you felt about that. Okay, where were you, who you were talked with, what was the occasion and everything. So that's all about the cue cards. So try to practice more. You can concentrate more on these cue cards. Okay, these cue cards are there 100%. I can assure you these cue cards are there for your June month test paper. So try to prepare your own models, and you can check out our playlist for speaking samples and all. I'm updating more samples in the coming days and all. So you can check it out if you want the model and all means, how to answer each and every question, how to include the sub questions, how to manage it in a 2 minutes and all means, you can check out that too. So if you like this video means, please give thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell icon nearby and try to select the all option. Then only you will be notified about all the videos which I am going to upload. So if you are interested to join for our online classes means, you can catch me in my WhatsApp number provided here, that is 9446031269, or else you can write me in my email address too. I will provide all the details in the description box. So check out your playlist for each module, you will get more ideas related to that. So thank you so much and stay tuned and all the very best.